Welcome, here I've got Doogee S88 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big shutter. So let me start to show you how it works. And let's stop by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to the left to this one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. As you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.